बेटा कैसे ये मेरे को तेरा समझ नहीं आ
देख देख मैं
देख पॉट में 40
है 10 10 10 10
40 में 40 डिवाइड बाय 3 कर
अबे वैसे थोड़ी होगा
वैसे ही होगा
अबे 10 तुम्हारे है ना तुम्हारे खुद के में है ना
वो
अरे सुन मेरी बात ठीक है सुन 10 10 10 अब तुम लोग जीता 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 हारा मैं हारा तुम लोग जीते 10,000 अपने वापस हो गए वापस हो गए पॉट में से पॉट में वापस पॉट में कितना बचा 10 जो मेरा है 10 तुम तीनों को बटेगा इक्वली बटेगा कि नहीं बटेगा कि नहीं मेरे को क्या नहीं सिखाना है
तू 10 ईच देगा तुम भी तू 1 रुपया क्या करेगा सच बोल
हाँ
1 रुपया
निराश
हाँ निराश हो
अरे रुको भाई यार 2 रुपए का कॉल करके अंदर ही है यार 2 रुपए का कॉल करके अंदर ही है हाँ अब
मैं हारा नहीं हूँ एक भी क्या नहीं समझे ना मैं हारा नहीं हूँ
ये कॉल ही है यार हर समय
नहीं हारा
चार आप मेरे सामने होकर है
बट ऐसा नहीं हारा
चल
यस ऑल
आज खिला रहा है तेरे कुछ नहीं हो रहा है
तो तेरा नहीं 33 मिल रहा है
कैसे हाँ मैं तेरा हूँगा ना मैं तेरा ही हूँगा समझ
13 रुपीस चाहिए मेरे को
तेरा
तेरा 13
तेरा मतलब 13 है क्या
नहीं वो हिंदी में अलग भी नहीं होता उसका
अरे लॉक होगा ना
नहीं यार
अरे मैं एक बार भी दिया वैसे उसका कुछ काम नहीं था
अभी बाकी सब नहीं है
पनिश करो सर पनिश को करना पड़ेगा पनिशमेंट में चाहिए
right on write down the next two heading permanent wins we have completed with easterlies is it we are starting with easterlies this washroom going and coming back how much time does it take 5 minutes why these two guys come early shall I punish them they didn't enter and where did you enter the ladies side and it's just a 5 minutes break you spend time like more than 10 minutes and come back then how do I sit down relax the westerlies
सर इससे
complete kiya na this person nowadays becomes sleeping giant na mainly blows between be quick mainly blows between 35 and 60 degree mainly blows between 35 and 60 degree north and south latitudes बस उतना ही लिखना north and south latitudes ये दूसरा है
So mainly blows between
north and south latitudes 35 to 60 degree वो लिखा है next in NH what is NH very good it blows from southwest to northeast carefully याद करना है SW to NE correct southwest to northwest to southeast which are onshore winds bracket में डालो west coast and offshore winds in east coast कल का टाइम टेबल हो गया 12 से स्टार्ट होता है it goes up to 5:45 next week okay characteristics features अगर only characteristics नहीं है you write features blows from subtropical high तो अगर एग्जाम में कंफ्यूजन होगा तो सब ट्रॉपिकल के नाम से टेम्परेचर विल बी ट्रबलसम है ना ब्लोस फ्रॉम सब ट्रॉपिकल हाई to subpolar low. ये सब है डायरेक्ट नहीं है हाँ उसीलिए वो डॉलरम्स पढ़ के रखने का तुम नेक्स्ट वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग विंड्स नेक्स्ट can bring in very strong winds can bring in cyclones with thundering and lightning and rain as well. It is Thursday I'm getting a holiday at night. Thursday also it's odd time 2:30 to 3:30. हाँ इधर ही आ रहा हूँ तो तुम्हारे लिए आऊँगा अरे Thursday we are meeting at 2:30 हाँ be very sure and हाँ इधर हाँ oh my dear तो तुम्हारा रहेगा लेक्चर 1 o'clock से
नहीं सर 2:30 to 6:30 4:30 है क्या
अभी चेक कर मेरा है दिख रहा है 9th ICSE सानपड़ा तो मेरा नहीं no
Singapore
UP.
हाँ
oh we are not in we are in UP
चलो नेक्स्ट पॉइंट लिखना stronger in SH stronger in SH what is SH
southern
since absence of big landmass absence of big landmass क्या हुआ absence of big landmass जैसा नॉर्थ में हिमालयस है ना उधर वैसा नहीं ठीक है then we are done with now we are going with the third one polar is I'm giving you guys time please read it and check if you got any trouble polar easterlies we can go next first read it carefully and I've given such easy points I hope you are using my notes for your school exams nobody
yes
you find it easier to score marks write down the polar easterlies are those winds continue with the heading are those winds originating in north and south of polar regions sorry and blow towards circumpolar low pressure zone ये जरा circumpolar देखो low pressure zone कैसा है और डायग्राम में देखो है पीछे 2 पेज छोड़ के पीछे जाओ you'll get it किसके बीच में आता है polar high and subpolar low आ रहा है कि नहीं
जब पीछे
2 पेज पीछे बोल रहा हूँ Are you understanding where it is? Come back. Next point. It starts from polar high pressure zone why it is polar is high pressure
because low temperature
very good and move towards northeast bracket में लिख लो NH what is NH
Northern.
Yes. Hence known as northeast polar winds. Semicolon. You know what is semicolon? Whereas it blows
Is known as
northeast polar winds. Whereas it blows from southeast bracket में डाला SH. Hence इसका नाम क्या रहेगा? Southeast polar winds. अभी ये जरा चेक करो. चेक करो मतलब रीड करो आइडिया. Shall we? मैं सिर्फ हाँ तो चेक करो shall we and these gathas are only just whiling away the timing. अभी now we are going to periodic. I am going to only read and explain and you are only going to mark points. Okay? चलो the last boy you read. ये देखो whenever we are moving away from permanent winds to periodic winds, now we are landing to periodic. What is that? Land and sea breezes. Are they permanent?
no.
Are they local? No. Are they variable, varies from place to place? No. But they are coming in specific period of time only. That is the reason they are termed under periodic winds. What I was saying? Wait.
Permanent winds, periodic winds are not variable winds or not local winds because
Then why they are रहने दे क्या है लड़की है
सर ये बोला था
वो बोलेगा
ये दोनों
then why they are periodic because they blow from one region to another in a specific period only. Which period? Before the recess or after the recess? Maybe after the recess है ना चलो start.
yes periodic winds blow at regular intervals or in regular cycles.
Underline regular intervals. Next.
They are winds that result from localized differences in pressure and temperature.
Underline that word localized. But why they are not called as local winds then?
Because they are global.
आगे बढ़ो.
For example, land and
And why they are called as local? Because they are global. Go ahead.
and the seasons, land and sea breezes. They are caused by differential rate of heating of the land and the sea.
I want somebody to explain me this because I've done many a times. Differential heating of land and water.
In the morning.
Rush and have your cup of coffee.
Land
Land gets heats quickly, cools quickly. उधर लिखो. Land heats quickly and cools quickly. And water heats slowly and cools slowly. यही differential heating है. Land and water. Go ahead, dear.
During the day, land gets heated faster than the adjoining sea. This creates a low pressure zone on the land and high pressure zone over the sea.
Stop. अभी high pressure land में एक ही sea में है. sea में है. हाँ तो wind कहाँ से कहाँ blow करेगा? low pressure to high pressure. तो low pressure किधर है? sea में है. And high pressure land में. तो लैंड ब्रीज आएगा क्या सी ब्रीज आएगा? सी ब्रीज आएगा लैंड में. इसका एग्जैक्ट रिवर्स होता है इन द नाइट. सिंपल है. रीड ऑन.
Thus, the winds blow from sea to land are called sea breezes.
Underline that only. Sea to land. Daytime. And night time?
At night,
Land
because of
to
this happens.
land to
Sea.
sea.
Land.
Go ahead, Manit.
Monsoons are periodic seasonal winds blowing in the region of Southeast Asia and northern Australia.
Underline that. Periodic winds. अभी जस्ट एक मिनट रुक जाओ ये समर और अच्छा पहले ये खत्म करो ये मैं तो पूरा मैप के साथ एक्सप्लेन करूँ
Blowing in the regions of Southeast Asia and northern Australia. The word monsoon is derived from the Arabic word mausim meaning season.
हाँ ये मौसम करके एक मूवी भी निकला था बहुत बोरिंग था और ठीक ठीक था it was Shahid Kapoor. I used to tell my monsoon season. देखना है it's a big movie where he's a pilot. The word is mausam, Arabic word. So it is monsoon. Go ahead.
They develop because of differences in breathing conditions of the continents and the oceans. They are divided into two wind systems, the summer monsoon and the winter monsoon.
Underline summer and winter monsoon. Now just everyone just understand. I'll explain to you the reference to India. At least you'll understand because we are all Indians and we are living in India only. Okay. So which part of India I am portraying to the small peninsula. So I say this is southwest monsoon. Just understand this very carefully. You will have definitely in your 10th standard. And it blows normally in the month of summer. May or June में होता है तो इसको summer monsoon भी बोलता हूँ. Don't copy. I'll give you time because ये थोड़ा it's not complex, easy only. But then you have to understand. Then this is northeast monsoon. It blows in the month of I told you only 2 months. It is October to November. Whereas this blows in the month of June to September. So ये पूरा इंडिया में विंटर चालू रहता है तब ये होता है. अभी देखो अभी तमिलनाडु को रेनफॉल मिल रहा है. So that is why it is called as which monsoon? Winter monsoon. When entire India is having winter, Tamil Nadu and AP only coastal. Now during this time, what is happening in the month of second week of May? There is a big zone sits in the central part of India. This zone is best referred as ICSE. अभी full form तो आपको मालूम ही नहीं रहेगा because 10th का है Intertropical Climatic Zone. Come again? अभी easy बोलेगा 2 दिन के बाद पूछेगा आपने पढ़ा है. What is this? The temperatures are high. Automatically pressure will be low. At the same time over Indian Ocean. I'm saying over Indian Ocean, temperature is low. Automatically what will be high? What will be high? Pressure will be high. So winds generally start from high pressure and then to low pressure. और इसी wind को हम लोग ने trade winds बोला है. So wind originates from here. Okay. And it entering India. So here we have Arabian Sea, here we have Bob. You know what does Bob means? Okay. And it brings lot of moisture. पहले तो Indian ये Bay of Bengal ना. Either already moisture लेता ही है, but before entering India it picks lot of moisture. And by the first week, June 10th or maybe like 15th or कभी-कभी तो July भी हो जाता है. The first shower is in the state of Kerala and Andaman and Nicobar. ये हो गया हमारा southwest monsoon which blows during this season. Summer season. पहले ये लिख लो. ये डायग्राम बना लो. Summer monsoon लिखो. जैसे मैंने हेडिंग डाला वैसे करो. फिर नॉर्थ ईस्ट में. And be very sure that you are going to be best in geography. I don't know about history, but at least in geography.
Sir, already.
You are best, na?
Yeah.
So become more best, man. Always more of improvement is there. You never say that. Oi.
First.
Steven, yeah,
Enough I'm saying this.
Srinagar.
Hey boys, I'm not going to keep on blumming like this, and I'm going to really give you one good idea. Will we go ahead?
Yes.
You have seen this adrak, ginger.
Yes.
कैसा उसको कूटते हैं? अभी एक लड़का हमारा घर में वैसे ही कूटने वाला है. He's thinking that I'm allowing him. Keep on saying to be quiet, he's not listening to you. Jimmy.
Video किया, very well.
And उधर नीचे लिखो winds blow from sea to land.
Sea to.
That's why it is having a lot of moisture, है ना?
Sea to.
So I know the other
So
one.
एक question है सर, sea breeze के वजह से बारिश आ सकती है,
कैसे भी आएगा?
पर moisture है ना,
तो मॉइस्चर तो चाय के ऊपर भी निकलता है, बारिश आते तेरे घर पे. ये आपने तो जब शावर ऑन करके ना तक वो विंडो पे एरिया भी स्नो ये होता है, कभी आता है अंदर बारिश?
फिर शावर से आता है।
आएगा. और कोई छोटा बच्चा ऊपर से मुँहता रहेगा तो उसको बारिश से करके हाथ में मत पकड़े. मतलब इसने टेस्ट भी किया है, उसको मालूम है. हर किधर भी बारिश आने लगा. चल. Now इसका just opposite होता है. It is in the month of October to November. The winds are given maximum moisture. Now it is going back. उसीलिए इसको retreating भी बोलते हैं. So I can show you the direction. It is moving out of India from north and checking out from where? From east. So now we have this big state called Tamil Nadu, and then we have coastal part. Actually, Andhra and Telangana is there. Only this part I can say will have rainfall only for 2 months, right? What is it doing? Now this is the wind which is moving from land to sea. Already it is dry because जितना भी था वो साउथ वेस्ट के रूप में उसने बारिश दे दी है. Now it is checking out of India, but while going out also it showers only these two regions, coastal AP and coastal Tamil Nadu. So that is why it is called as which monsoon? Winter monsoons. It is going back. जब आपको टेक में आएगा इसको retreating भी बोलते हैं. What is retreating? Moving out of the continent. चलो ये भी कॉपी करो. कॉपी मतलब हाँ ये बकेट बना के रखा है इधर. और ये क्या है इधर? टेस्ट बैग. अच्छा वाह कुछ शेप में नहीं हुआ. as such. Wait, चुपचाप लिखो. You guys operate Coral Draw. Coral Draw you guys operate. क्या उसका बोल भाई Coral Draw क्या होता है?
मैंने सुना है क्या बोला है?
अरे खुद तो कंप्यूटर्स में तो ऑपरेट करता है कि नहीं?
तो छोड़ दिया सर.
इसीलिए Coral और Coral में क्या डिफरेंस है? Coral. Next time, whenever the steel comes, go get some umbrellas and jackets and stand nearby. क्योंकि बारिश हो सकती है anytime. है ना? वो भी सुन रहा है. हाँ सर आप बोलो. Right below. Below what? This diagram. Not this diagram. Actually, map of India. Right? Less moisture, less rain. Less moisture and less rain. Put a hyphen, right? Put a hyphen, right? Retreating monsoon. Retreating monsoon. चलो, let us start reading summer monsoon. Summer अभी तक start. अभी देखो, once you have understood what is summer and winter, now reading becomes fast, and your understanding hopefully becomes fast.
Yes.
चलो guys, come on.
Summer monsoons. In summer, the land gets more heated than the sea. Hence, there develops a center of low pressure on the land.
Underline the word center of low pressure.
Over the adjoining sea, the air is comparatively cool, and the high pressure develops there. This causes the winds to blow from the sea to the land.
Underline sea to land. ये कौन सा साउथ ईस्ट है कि नॉर्थ ईस्ट है? श्योर ना?
Yes.
Go ahead.
It is the summer monsoon. In May, June, and July, the plains of India and China are heated by the vertical rays of the sun. The intense heat develops a continental low pressure. During these months, over the Indian Ocean, a high pressure area develops, so the winds blow from the Indian Ocean northward and northwestward into Asia.
And then I'll show you Indian Ocean से अंदर की तरफ blow हो रहा है. Go ahead.
Asia. As they blow from the sea to the land, they bring heavy rainfall to the Southeast Asia. The summer monsoon winds blow southwest, so they are known as southwest summer monsoons.
Underline southwest summer monsoon. Carry on.
Oh yes.
First.
Winter monsoon.
Now next person read.
Wait, ना करो सर.
During winter season, the conditions are just reverse of those of summers. A high pressure develops over a big landmass stretching from
Underline high pressure over big landmass. Go ahead.
from Central Asia up to Northwest Indian Sea. At the same time, of low temperature zone
Low pressure zone.
low pressure
Pressure
zone
zone.
in the Indian Ocean. As the winds blow from the land to the sea, they bring cold, dry weather. They are incapable of producing rain.
Incapable. What kind of reading
What
is
English
this?
man?
Huh?
Ma'am, sorry, sir, they are making me laugh, sir. They are tickling me.
not
And I've seen the tiny dot doing it. इधर से वो टिप में हाथ लगा रहा है, उधर से टिप में हाथ लगा रहा है, वो देखा है कब?
When these winds blow over seas and pass over the adjoining land, they bring some rainfall. The southern Coromandel coast in India.
कोरोमंडल के बाजू में लिखो तमिलनाडु। लिखा है फिर देखो।
And the west coastal of of Japan.
West coast of
ये आके मलाबार कोस्ट है, ये कोरोमंडल कोस्ट है, ऊपर आके गोवा एंड कोंकण कोस्ट है। जैसे मालूम ही है। पढ़ो।
Get rain from winter monsoon.
हाँ, about winter monsoon. अभी मैं क्वेश्चंस देने वाला हूँ, ना बैठ के।
The winter monsoon winds blow northeast, so the monsoon is known as northeast winter monsoon. Monsoons.
एक तो तेरा रीडिंग भी इतना अच्छा है, हाँ? It gives you ample opportunities for them to laugh at you. Go ahead.
Local winds what?
local winds. Local winds are restricted to a certain place only. They may be warm or cold depending upon the area from which they blow. For example, Harmattan is a cold local wind of Sahara Desert. Blue.
Harmattan.
Blue. In the plains of northern India and Pakistan, sometimes a very hot and dry wind blows from the west in summer in the afternoon. It is known as blue. Its temperature invariably ranges from 45 degrees Celsius and 50 degrees Celsius. It may cause sunstroke to people. Phoan and Chinook.
This Phoan and Chinook. Say.
Phoan and Chinook. A strong warm wind develops on the leeward side of the Alps. Due to regional pressure gradient, air is forced to cross the barrier. As the air ascends the southern slopes of the Alps, it expands and cools. Condensation takes place when the air is saturated, causing rain and snowfall on the higher slope. However, on descending the northern slope, the wind experiences an increase.
Let them do it. We got 20 minutes, lovely minutes. I'll put them on a small slot.
Increasing pressure and temperature. Okay. Due to this, air is compressed and warm. Most of its moisture is lost and it reaches the valley.
Underline, moisture is lost.
Hot wind called the fan.
One, fan to say.
The temperature of the wind is from 15 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees
So it is a warm current wind or a cold current wind?
Both are warm, cold.
इन दोनों तो और ही बोल थे। एक तो इन दोनों को वार्म कोल्ड में डिफरेंस नहीं मालूम, तुम दोनों लाइंस को पकड़ के चलाते रहो। कैरी ऑन बॉय। एक काम करो ना, वेट, both of everyone write this question. I'll give you a small task. Differentiate between permanent and periodic winds. 5 points each. Example is the 5th point. 4 points are periodic winds. Other side. Explain main type of variable winds. Start. Abhi no explanation nothing. Now you giggle, I will also struggle. तो बुक देख के लिखने का। What you think? Right, पसंद है तो? ऐसा तो नहीं लगता। Understood? देखो, I'll give you idea. This we have already done, and this we were doing, correct? But then this is periodic and this is permanent. And now there are 3 types of variable winds. Cyclones I have already explained. Why I am saying tropical cyclones? Because it's normally originate in the tropical. Temperate, which region? About 23.5 to 66 degree. चलो start करो. Differentiate में बहुत कुछ याद हो जाएगा. हाँ, उसने लिखना स्टार्ट ही नहीं किया कॉपी में। Enough now. I could have finished this chapter, but you the guys don't want me. Right away. And write in such a way that it should be distinguished. Huh?
सर कितने पॉइंट्स कितने
5 here. 4 on one side. If you don't know anything, you can ask me. Okay? Since your crippling was up, I had to take this step.
We know.
More like a mosquito bite, है ना? कुछ ना कुछ चालू हो. Shall I help you in any of the ones?
No sir.
Is it available?
Yes sir.
Yes.
Oh dear. How independent are my students?
Sir, in video development, we need to define all the three types.
So we have to do anti-cyclone also in variable.
वो नहीं अलग से दिया है तो मत करो. Anti नहीं anti cyclone. Whose anti you are remembering?
What is this?
The Cambridge has said it is no anti.
It was direct. Wait.
ऐसे टाइप के लिखने डिस्क्रिप्शन भी लिखना है
Right. चुपचाप लिखो.
equation
Yeah, please. Started.
बेंच आगे है पीछे में पीछे में
हमारी बैच आगे रहती है।
कोई तो मैं बैटरी का फ्यूज है क्या आचार्य की तरह चिपक गया तो कौन है? मेन सेक्शन में खुद ही जाके साइड में चिपका हुआ
क्या? लिख चुपचाप दूसरों को देख।
तेरे कुछ लिखा हुआ नहीं है।
नहीं मैं लिखा हुआ किसी के
सावन में नहीं है।
आज झूठा चल बोलता है
कितना झगड़ा करते हैं।
चलो आई एम गोइंग टू चेक हु हैज नॉट रिटन नाउ
एक मिनट
एक
शो मी अभी ये लिखने का भी स्टार्ट करेगा मैं आने के बाद ही रखूँ उसको
नहीं सर पीछे लिखता है वो डिफरेंस लिखा मैंने
क्या क्या डिफरेंस का जरा दिखा
डिफरेंस है ना यार मेरे टाइप
तीन बल्कि में पांच है।
मुझे दो बार
the difference itself is looking very different from ours Wednesday check out because my lectures are there. I think before to that you are not Wednesday actually. Tomorrow is Wednesday, not Thursday. Wednesday I am away, but also tomorrow I am in Railway. Because these are odd timings, na? 12, 3,
I won't be there.
12.
I am going
What time?
morning only.
So come back na. My lecture is up till 3:30.
I heard it was
ना तेरे लिए कोई टेंशन नहीं ये कल सुबह पीक में चढ़ने वाला है why you not there
जो कल बाहर जा रहा है।
I tell the other two guys they guys told me to sir उनका एग्जाम सब खत्म हो गया
तो
Yes, sir.
पर वो आंसर
हाँ, तेरी है फ्राइडे में नहीं समझा
अरे अरे लिखा भी था आंसर
चुपचाप whenever they are joining you be quiet I'll inquire in my very simple
ये भी क्या
अरे,
बोल रहा है शिविर
अरे
से
ये क्या मिलता है मेरे को
रोज मिलता है सर
ये भी ये है वो।
नहीं वो उधर रहता है
अच्छा
how much he charges the game for
120
18 rupees per hour. Nee, 18
अबे
rupees
गेम
per
से
hour.
नहीं है 70
अच्छा he has put all the updated games is it worth
No,
गेम
it
की
was
बेटर है सब थोड़ा
Invade
better.
भाई एमबीएस देख
Invade में F1
सब है
का
भाई
PC.
उसमें तो सिमुलेटर
So
से आ
invade is
गया
better
वो
because
Invade में
but invade is busy so you have to book in advance.
hard.
I
And
purposely
vortex also you need.
look at the excitement, enthusiasm, knowledge. If I
Exactly.
ask, if I ask anything about geography, all goes. It's okay. Write the next one. I'll give. So guys, continue this as an assignment. Okay.
So almost complete.
Almost completed.
Almost.
So one
Temperate.
Very good. Then you write.
Just from
It's okay. It's okay.
सर एक बार बना दो ना सर वो जोश का
This I'm going to give only for cyclones and local winds. All three you have read, is it?
Yes.
चलो तो फिर variable winds लिख लो. You write. No, after the lecture only. No way. Variable winds. You write cyclone. पहले लिख लो why it is variable. लिखो ना. Mainly depends on pressure system. Mainly depends on pressure system blowing over a smaller area. Mainly depends on pressure system blowing over a smaller geographical area. A smaller geographical area. Second point. Two main winds. A or one you write cyclones is a portion of the atmosphere. One cyclone is a portion of the atmosphere where low pressure is at the center, correct? And high pressure at the edges. or outskirt, center, outer, whatever you like. Example, hurricanes
मतलब सिर्फ सेंटर में बहुत गर्मी होगी टेंपरेचर बहुत हाई होगा
पानी में है, hurricanes ब्रैकेट में डालो Caribbeans, CARRIBEAN Caribbeans, typhoons ब्रैकेट चाइना. देखो कंट्री के जैसे लोग ने नाम भी रखे. एंड अभी एक नाम बहुत फनी है, राइट? It is Willies, WILLY dash WILLIES, Australia. Now let us write anticyclone. Is a fine atmospheric condition. It's a fine atmospheric condition with high pressure in the core and low pressure at the edges. High pressure at the core and low pressure at the edges. Full stop. Winds move in anti-clockwise direction. And generally associated with light drizzle and less speedy winds, which may extend for weeks. Week, WEEKS. That's the end. So we are only with local winds. That also you guys have read, na? अब एक छोटा सा एक short note है. Write a short note on this will end this chapter. Jet streams. Write a short note on jet streams. नाम इसलिए जेट है बिकॉज इसका स्पीड बहुत ज्यादा है लोकल विंड से. राइट डाउन concentrated bands of the spelling is right here. Concentrated bands of spelling is here. हो सकता है ना मिस्टेक. हाई स्पीड मूविंग विंड्स. कॉन्सेंट्रेट मतलब ऐसा नहीं कि हर जगह रहेगा, एक बैंड की तरह जाएगा. हाई स्पीड मूविंग विंड्स. High speed moving winds normally found at tropopause. If you remember that structure of atmosphere, and stratosphere. One more sentence. Its average speed is between 10 to 15 kilometers.
स्लो
10 to 15 is very high for wind. 10 to 15 kilometers
पर आवर
per hour. You can cut it. Hey guys, don't take n times fun, masti. Be a little bit concentrated. I don't know what we can do for this. So what? You come here. Let them get ready for that. पार्ट वन में ऐसा बोला वेट इसमें से तुम्हें क्या चाहिए चॉइस
5 में से
बस
राइस को कभी तो जाते हैं
अरुमा कम से कम सेना का लाइसेंस कोई ना लगा सकता है
हाँ समझा ए
ठीक से बेटर
इस बोले रुको
रुक जा
रुक जा
हमारा ओनर
क्या करेंगे
गिर गया
Sir, 5 sir.
what are that fights now अभी जो हम लोग कर रहे हैं difficult लग रहा
मैं
है
कुछ नहीं करा
3 रुपए
मेरे ना
तो 10 रुपए ही नहीं
इसको
है ना अगर तुम्हें ये डिफिकल्ट पड़ रहा है तो ये एक्स्ट्रा क्या भी ये मैंने अभी तक कराया नहीं है ट्राई टू बी तो वो लास्ट वाला है एक ही चैप्टर I've selected the chapter as per your
क्या